Are you looking to buy a new home or sell one? Call those Callaways. They are the best in the valley. They are going to take care of you and find the perfect home for you. And once again, we have Joe Coleman, who's going to tell us about this fantastic home.
Absolutely. We've got 43 West San Juan, which is situated just in the heart of the sought-after Central Corridor. It's a wonderful location, just minutes from Uptown. The home itself sits in a very private cul-de-sac right at the end.
Nice.
It's over 4,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, and a dedicated office, so there's plenty of rooms and room in the entire property. The master bedroom is upstairs with a wonderful view deck. The property has a pool. It's got a great size lot. It's just got everything, and you just need to come see this house today.
Yeah, everybody needs to go see that house since you have an
Absolutely.
open house going on. Okay, what's the price for something like this?
$999.9 in that location. So.
In that location, that actually is a steal.
Oh yeah.
And so, and I know some people are like, okay, no, that's not for me. But you can take care of anything, whatever the home. They just have to call you and get started, and you're going to find the perfect home for them.
Absolutely. Buying or selling, we go valley-wide, and we're known valley-wide, so just give us a call.
All right, well, they definitely have to do that. So thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.